Today I'm going to show you how to use Acorns with mobile. If you're trying to use the platform of Acorns on your mobile devices, in today's video let me show you the things that you need to know inside of Acorns. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get straight into it. In order for you to use the app, you'll need to first of all download the Acorns app onto your phone through the App Store or the Play Store and then log into your account. Now, once you're inside of the home screen of the app, you'll see a similar interface where you'll see a bunch of options on the home screen. Let's look at the first option, which is Invest. Inside of the Invest section, you're going to see all of the investments that you have and the different types of portfolios that you have inside of the Acorns platform. So just head over to Invest. Once you tap on the Invest section, as I said, it's going to show you your investment on the top, and there are a few other options. The first option you can tap on is the round up option, which means you can round up any spare changes that you may have inside of your account. For example, if you purchase a coffee for $3.75, the leftover 25 cents is going to be rounded up and it's going to be added to the investment account. Secondly, what you can also do is add in a recurring investment. If you tap on the recurring investment option, you can add in investments on a weekly or on a monthly basis so that you do not need to manually transfer money each time into the Acorns account. Now, from this section, if you scroll down, you'll be taken to your portfolio section where you'll be able to see all of your investments on different types of ETFs. So you can just tap on each of these ETFs and take a look at them in detail. What you can also do is tap on Edit on the top right. Once you tap on Edit, it's going to show you the type of investment and the risk portfolio that is selected. If you don't want this and if you want to change your risk portfolio, you can tap on the risk option and you can choose from 5 different types of risk portfolios. So you can swipe through and select the type of portfolio that you would like and the amount of risk that you would like for your investment account. Now, if you head back to the home screen, there are other sections as well, such as later and early. The early is for your kids, so you can set up your investment account for your kids as well. And the later section is for you to invest for your retirement plan. So that was a video about the way that you use Acorns with mobile. If this guide video was helpful, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.